Well, I make different video in different places for you in order that you can improve your speaking skill by listening. And I want to give you one message by making video. Go to the nature and translate those things you are seeing and explore those are things in English. It will be very effective way of learning English. That's why I come nature and I enjoy nature. Apart from this, I make different video in different places. Right now, as you can see, next to me there is a mango garden where there are number of mango trees where mangoes are available, but mangoes are not matured right now. And this is the condition, and today's sun radiation is very high and the sky is beautiful and ravishing, and sun radiation is very high. It is sunny day, so that's why I am not able to exactly see the in front of the camera, and I'm going to share with you. And actually I'm surrounded by the nature, and natural beauty is astonishing me. I'm overwhelmed here, and I'm amazed to see the natural beauty. And apart from this, I am practicing English and I'm making video. You know, making video is my habit. That's why whenever I go, whenever I stay, I try to make video. I try to spend my time, quality time with English. And right now, as you can see, I am doing this kind of things. And this is the bamboo fence. This is the bamboo fence, and where grasses are available, there are a lot of grasses here. And this is the condition of this